Okay, so let's make the snowman's pipe. This will be really easy. Corn cob pipe. It's basically 2 cylinders. So we'll start with this cylinder here. Okay, then we're going to duplicate it, edit, duplicate, and we're going to rotate it 90 degrees. Use the inside dial to snap it 90 degrees. Okay, and then we're going to stretch it out. Okay, and let's hold shift, hold the corner, hold shift, hold the corner. Okay, and then let's just quickly do an align. There we go. That's all we want. Okay. Let's just move it up a little bit. And then now I'll just make the inside of the pipe. So we'll edit, duplicate, and let's just make it taller. And then we'll shrink it. Hold the shift key, left mouse button click. Okay. I'm going to turn that into a hole. All right, and I'm going to align it. Adjust, align. There. Okay. And I'm just going to lift it up a bit. And just to see where that is, I'll select the other cylinder, turn that. Okay, good. So that's enough thickness there. Okay, turn that back to normal color. And we'll select the hole, select the cylinder, and go group. And there we go. Okay. So I'm going to select both and turn it into a group. I'm going to turn it to more of a yellow color. Oh, maybe not. No. I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I'll leave it orange. And select it, and we'll just move it into place. Okay, obviously it's a little big. Okay. Let's just put it into place. You can use your arrow keys. And then let's rotate it a little bit. We'll use the top dial, like that. And let's slide it over a little bit. And then I want to slide it in a little more. let's just see, maybe rotate it up a little bit. The outside dial, or would it look better a little down? That's pretty good. And then let's rotate it a little bit here. Yeah. By doing that, by rotating it a little bit here on one side and a little bit on the other side, it takes away from the tendency to, when you with computers, for everything to look a little too perfect. It makes things look a little better. Okay, so we've got his corncob pipe, and on the next lesson we'll put in his scarf. See you then. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you see and you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe.